So what you do, you got your three settings: moist, light, pH. The moist is for the soil, see how wet it is, which is in that middle bar. And you got the light, which is at the top, dark to light, to see if you're getting enough light. And then your pH is your alkaline to acid. And what we're aiming for is number 7 when we get to the alkaline and then at the bottom. So what you got to do first is to see how moist it is and see how much light you're getting. And then we leave it for about 10 minutes to check your pH afterwards. Okay. Really easy. You stick it into the ground about 2 to 4 inches. Good thing is no batteries required. So at the moment we can see the light's pretty good and the moisture is in the green, so it's saying it's good. It's not too dry, it's not too wet, as we can see from the red bar in the middle. All around you'll see that your pH should be around about 7 in all areas. So when we're doing the pH, what we want it to do is go down to the 7 just here. So you've got 8, there's very little margin between where you've got alkaline 8 and 7. So what we need it to do, once I switch the switch over, we'd like it to go down to 7. So we're aiming for 7. And that's round about there, I would say. And that's really it, basically. Very simple to use.
Thank you. Thanks, Sean.
Right. If you're wanting to use these, if you see that anyone who belongs to this allotment committee, they're free, so you don't have to buy them or anything. See a member of the allotment committee and then just go ahead and use it as instructed on. There is a leaflet in the box as well. I'll keep that together. So there's a leaflet in the box to show you what you're to do.